All right, when I say the magic word, I need you to get a pencil, crayons or markers, and your habitat workbook so we can start our temperature of the forest activity. Ready? Flamingo! All right, if you don't quite have it yet, just press pause. All right, so on the left side, it shows us do you know what this is called? Thermometer. Now, a thermometer tells us the temperature of a building, of what it is outside, anywhere you place it. Could be in the refrigerator, it could be in the freezer. So, on our thermometer, there are 3 arrows. There's one pointing at 100. There's another arrow pointing at 60 and then at 20. So these are the numbers of the temperature in Fahrenheit that it can get. So if it is a 100 degrees Fahrenheit in the forest, is it going to be hot, cool, cold, freezing, warm? What do you think it's going to be for 100 degrees? You know, I'm going to put hot. H-O-T. That was one of our spelling words a few weeks ago. Hot. Because when it's 100 degrees or higher, it's pretty hot. And in the summers in the forest, it can get pretty warm. It can get up to that 100 degrees or even more. In the middle, we have 60. Now, 60 degrees. What do you think that would feel like? Would it be scorching hot? Would it be freezing, like below freezing, where you have icicles coming out of your ears? Or would it be cool? Like you possibly would have to put a light jacket on or a cardigan, and you can hang out outside and play. I'm going to write cool, or the temperature is fresh outside. And then last, 20 degrees. Now, I know in our winters, and just like the video you just saw, there was snow on the ground in the forest. Well, there gets snow on the ground here too in our forest. So 20 degrees is below freezing. Freezing temperature is 32. So, I think it would be freezing. I'm going to write freezing because it's below freezing. That means there's snow on the ground. There could be icicles. If there's a little pond or stream, most likely it's iced over. And a lot of the forest animals have to find a warm place to stay. So now that we have our temperatures of the forest, hot, cool, freezing, we need to decide what weather we're going to pick and how we're going to dress ourselves. So I associate hot with the summertime. The cool weather is usually fall and sometimes spring. And then freezing would be winter. Well, my favorite season is the fall, and I love the fall in the forest because all the pretty leaves change colors. So I'm going to choose the temperature of cool. And so whatever temperature you choose, you are going to create your person to be dressed as if they were in that weather. So like I said, I'm going to put a star by cool because that's the temperature I'm going to pick. Now, do you have to pick that? No, you do not. You can pick hot or freezing depending on what temperature you like best. And then I'm going to start decorating my person. Put my hair. I know my hair is up today. Gotta get some brown in there. And I think the cool weather, it's safe to say long sleeves, pants. Gotta make those eyelashes if you're a girl, right? So here's my long sleeves, my pants. Gonna make sure I have some tennis shoes on because I don't want my feet to get cold in 60-degree weather. And voila, you have decorated your person. Now, hot weather, your person would look completely different. Even freezing weather, you'd probably have to put more clothes on in freezing weather. So I can't wait to see what you all come up with. Now for our last step, why do you think we have lines down here? Yeah, we are going to write a sentence about the temperature of the forest. So I need you to write the sentence about the temperature you picked. So Mrs. Corona obviously picked cool. So I have to write a sentence about the temperature being cool in the forest. So I'm going to start with a capital letter. The temperature. Now look, temperature is right here at the top of your book. You don't need to ask your moms or dads or older siblings or whatever adults in the house. The temperature in the, look at my spaces, forest is cool. And what season can it be cool in? In the fall. And what goes at the end? A period. Now, even in our video, it said it was rainy. So spring and fall time, it could definitely rain. We can add some raindrops. She could hold an umbrella. The rain makes it nice and cool. All right, so remember, you start your sentence with a capital letter. You need to use spaces throughout and always end your sentence with a period or exclamation mark or a question mark if you're asking a question. All right, I want you to read this sentence with me. Ready? Read. The temperature in the forest is cool in the fall. So I want you to take this information and I want you to create your own temperature of the forest page. You can choose hot weather, rainy weather, windy weather. It gets windy in the forest. Cool weather, freezing weather. Create your person and then write your sentence about it. The word temperature needs to be in your sentence because that's the page we're talking about. All right, guys, you have completed this assignment. That means you get to turn it in and put it in your pocket folder, and we can't wait to see what you come up with. Till next time.